Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today I'm showing you how to make the best fluffy pancakes with ingredients you probably already have on hand. It's so simple and delicious that you may wonder why you never did it before. So let's get started. Start by whisking together 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of sugar using a whisk or a fork. You can also use a mixer. Add 200 milliliters of milk, 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla powder. Then beat until you have a smooth batter. Keep in mind that the batter should be slightly thicker than a cake batter. If it's too thin, they will spread and you will have thin crepe-like pancakes and they won't fluff up. Heat a lightly oiled non-stick frying pan over a medium heat. You need to add only a tiny bit of oil, so don't pour it in. You can brush the pan like I do, or you can just put oil on a paper towel and rub it on the pan. And after that, you will barely need to oil the pan. Gently pour about 1 tablespoon of batter onto the hot pan. Try to pour the same amount of batter each time so that your pancakes come out the same size. Wait until the bubbles form on the surface, and once they start popping, flip the pancake over and cook until both sides are golden. What is important here is to lower the heat if the pancake darkens too fast when the bubbles form, or raise it if the pancake is still too light. Repeat until all the batter is used up. Once both sides are golden, transfer to a serving plate. As you see, it's so easy to make fluffy pancakes at home. They are ready in minutes. You can serve them with chocolate spread, maple syrup, honey, your favorite jam, and of course with whatever fresh fruit you like. You can also sprinkle some powdered sugar or cinnamon sugar on top. Either way, it sounds delicious. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon please. Thanks for watching.